Welcome to Istanbul, Turkey. This city is a magical blend of the old and new, where East meets West. From its grand mosque and bustling bazaar to delicious food and rich history, Istanbul has so much to offer. Join me as I explore this beautiful city and wander through historic Istiklal Street, visit the stunning Hagia Sophia, show you the Bosphorus on a yacht, the beautiful waterway that splits the city in two continents, and try delicious Turkish delights at the famous Hafiz Mustafa. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's go!
India, country, Turkey, my friend. Welcome to Turkey. I love you, India. Bye-bye.
We reached Istanbul in the evening and checked into our hotel, the Sheraton. Since it was close to Istiklal Street, we went there to enjoy the night. So there was this local place called Çiçek Passage, which is also known as the Turkish Flower Passage. It had a very chill, hang out with your friends kind of vibe. The food was pretty average, but the atmosphere was great. One of the important thing if you come in like Istanbul is that there unlimited breakfast.
India. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay. Cheese plates.
Okay.
Tomatoes, cucumber from Antalya. You know Antalya?
Yes.
Antalya for Bazlama Garden. Egg. Be careful, so hot. Turkish donuts. Donuts not for you, okay? Only for brother. Only for you, okay? You know this?
What is shakshuka?
Yeah, Turkish name, you know? Menemen.
Menemen.
Yes, that's my favorite tahini inside hazelnuts, only for ladies. Yeah, this best combination.
Wow. Oh my god. So yum. So much is coming.
Olive mix, potatoes, 3 cheese mix. This second favorite from Izmir. Tomatoes with sauce. From Trabzon, butter. This first jam. This table unlimited, not stop. 5 o'clock stopping, okay? Refill, ambulance wait outside. Enjoy breakfast. Yeah, welcome.
मार्क माई वर्ड्स, अगर आप यहाँ पे आते हो तो आप ब्रेकफास्ट सीन को तो मिस करना ही मत ना. फटाफट खाना चालू करते हैं. थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें मैं खाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं सारी चीज़ें तो नहीं खा सकती. फर्स्ट टाइम गोना ईट shakshuka with egg. Wow. Look at the size of the donuts. Wow. These people also serve homemade jams और इनके जो jams है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा popular है. This is Sultan Ahmed Street and a must visit in Istanbul. It's filled with historical sites like Hagia Sophia and Blue Mosque. Hagia Sophia has two different entries, one for praying and one for tourists. This is the tourist one. It was built as a Christian church in the 6th century, later became a mosque, a museum and a mosque again. So while we are at Hagia Sophia, now guys यहाँ पर बहुत सारी history. We went to the museum and mosque मिला के the ticket was for 7,000 rupees. In case you're planning to go, it's a little expensive. Now we are heading towards mosque, but उसके पहले we have taken these two. Now this is a local donut kind of. It's called simit. So these are, you can just add whatever you want. So this is cream and this is Nutella, and this is like a crispy donut. Sesame on the top, that's it, and inside there's a lot of Nutella. Very crispy, right from the edges, center, everything is crispy with a lot of sesame seeds. This is our इवनिंग टाइम और हम आए हैं बॉस्फोरस क्रूज में. नाउ दिस इज नॉट अ क्रूज, इट्स अ यॉट एंड वी आर सिटिंग आउटसाइड. इट्स टू एरी, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी भी लग रही है एंड आई एम फीलिंग लाइक टू मच ऑफ कोल्ड, बट लुक एट दिस व्यू. इट्स so much better than the one that I did it in Paris. अगर आप आ रहे हो तो go for yacht and not the cruise. You're gonna enjoy it more because यहाँ पे बैठने की sitting everything is a little different. While you are enjoying your tour, they also keep bringing some light snacks like some juice, nuts, baklava, some cookies, fresh fruits, etc. We have come to this place called Munhasir. Now, when I imagine this place, I didn't imagine कि इतनी बड़ी होगी, but they have almost 3 floors. यहाँ पर ना बहुत सारे appetizer you get it. So I have taken the hummus one. This is some appetizer which is folded with grape leaf. Let's just try it. It got a lot of achari taste. We are gonna try this spicy sauce. It has a lot of raw garlic taste and chilies. Since this is a Munhasir doner kebab place, we have called for doner kebab. Now, sad part is they don't have chicken. They have lamb and beef, so we have called for lamb. We have barbecue soso and look at the quantity of chicken in it. I'm just going to remove this. Center में थोड़ा सा gravy. I think it's cheese. Very saucy. I have kori chicken जिसमें आपको मिलता है rice, a good quantity of chicken and some fries. The quantity of chicken is a lot apparently. It has a little Indian touch or Indian flavor, जो coriander का flavor आता है ना chicken में वैसा, with lots of vegetables. So overall this one is also very good.
Ela gözlerinde benim izlerim var. Kor gibi yanaklar ve kızıl saçlar.
If you're looking for dessert, then there is no better place than Hafiz Mustafa. ये जो जगह है वो 1864 से है. A lot of people have told me about it और मैं प्रैक्टिकली कल खा के भी गई थी यहाँ से एंड आई लव दिस ट्रेसलिचस. ये जो टेस्ट करता है, ओ माय गॉड, यू गोना लव इट. लेयर ऑफ क्रीम, पिस्ताशो, मिल्क केक, मिल्क, ice cream, all together is just too good. Yesterday I had the same thing and today also I'm having the same thing. तो कितना अच्छा होगा. Also trying something different. This is also cream based. मुझे लगता है ये cream based है. So ये इसका जो texture थोड़ा खुनाफा टाइप लग रहा है. Too sweet for my taste buds. Thank you.
Bye.
Now give.
Welcome, calling is calling you.
Okay. Take your ice cream. Only one I want.
Vanilla?
One, only one.
Okay.
Good morning, guys. This is my day 2 in Istanbul and I am near Galata Tower. I just had a very wild experience of eating ice cream or maybe buying ice cream. I was really getting pissed off. मतलब आइसक्रीम दे रहा था कि मजाक कर रहा था, बड़ा गुस्सा आ रहा था, मेरे बाल पे भी लगा दिया उसने. Anyways, okay, not bothered at all. And this is made from goat milk, by the way. So I'm gonna enjoy my ice cream and then moving ahead, we'll get to see a lot of stuff. Let's go. इससे पहले हमने खाया सैन सेबेस्टियन का चीज़ केक, सैन सेबेस्टियन चीज़ केक, which is like the viral one. Look at that chocolate. Oh my god, let's just eat it. This is the creamiest cheesecake that you will have in your entire life. People who say कि यहाँ का cheesecake is the best, they obviously have a reason. So next we have tiramisu. It's nice, creamy, airy, has a good quantity of has a good layer of coffee. So this is almond croissant. I had it before even I could say it. It's actually little sweeter than I expected. This is chicken doner, my second doner in Istanbul. Actually, बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब comparatively मैंने जो कल खाया था, which was not little, very bland. इसमें तो काफ़ी सारे ingredients हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा भी है. So I took this doner from place called Galata Dunya Doner. So it's a very good place अगर आपको chicken doner try करना है. Next we are trying kumpir. Now kumpir is a local dish of Istanbul. You can add as many as local ingredients you want. All ingredients are locally produced. तो इसमें आपको दिया जाता है baked potato with some beans, whatever you want to choose like sauces, vegetables, jalapeno, everything. I'm gonna make my bite spicy. So from here I'm gonna add some potato. From here I'm gonna take the spicy sauce, add some jalapeno and on the top. While roaming around, we came across Munsin Hatun, a neighborhood in Fateh district of Istanbul. It's a part of historical peninsula, also known as the Old City. It had more of, Venice vibe, the lanes, cafes, restaurants, etc. We also had food at this restaurant called the First Ottoman Lounge. It was quite decent though. I'm a little traumatized right now. But okay. Okay, alright. So we were talking about food and I thought let's call for something Italian. मैंने थोड़ी बहुत इंडियन मैंने थोड़ी बहुत दूसरी चीज़ें भी मंगाई है like doner and chicken skewer, but हमारे पास आ गया है सबसे पहले पास्ता and in pasta I've called for arrabbiata. मैंने सोचा थोड़ा कुछ अलग खाया जाए. So there is a little cheese. It's very saucy. Let's see the taste if it's good. Quite decent. It's like a very jugadu pasta. You can't really say it's a very good pasta. Chicken skewers are little like it has little chewiness to it and इसमें से वो red chili flakes डाला है और oregano डाला है तो अच्छा ऐसा taste और flavor आ रहा है. Very very yum. Along with that you get some fries and salad. You can actually wrap this up with your. You can wrap this chicken inside your bread. So overall the meal is nice. जब मैं इस्तांबुल आई हूँ तब से मुझे authentic Turkish coffee पीनी है and I finally had it. I like the way they make it, but I'm not sure about the taste. So let's go ahead and try it. It's just made of water and coffee and then they just boiled it. Cup is very classic. I like that thing about it. Oh my god. This is so raw. And the flavor of coffee is amazing. मैंने एक दो जगह Turkish coffee try की, but out of all those places, one is amazing. Actually, it's more than amazing, it's perfect. So this is Asia side where I'm right now. हमने decide किया कि एक breakfast Asia side भी करते हैं. So this place is called Ethem Effendi. This is my third day in Istanbul और इसके बाद हम जाने वाले हैं कल कुसादासी. Before that we decided कि थोड़ा breakfast किया जाए जो हमको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. We love the breakfast here. Now the best part is that we have come to Asia side. Sorry. Yes, you can keep it.
Black is here.
Yes.
Cheese
Oh
and
my god,
vegetables.
look at the size of tomatoes.
Green and black oil. Fake nuts. So tahini.
Tahini.
Also honey cream.
Hey, hi.
Would you like to jam?
Yes, we would love that.
This is milk jam.
Which one is good according to you?
And this is the best one.
Okay, so give me that.
This is olive jam.
So give me olive one. Spicy wala. Is there anything spicy?
Spicy.
This chili?
Yes, chili.
Chili, give me chili. Thank you. So the things over here are similar, but the vibe of this place is pretty good. Look at the size of the tomato. मेरा face cover हो रहा है इससे. Okay, so ये chili की size देखो. कितनी बड़ी है. Then we have lemons, cheese, everything. Then we have shakshuka. Now shakshuka you get it without eggs, तो हमने eggs separately मंगाए हैं. And these donuts, different type of dips. And then this is my best friend's favorite, Again, they have homemade jams. We have taken 4 homemade jams. यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाती है आपकी Turkish tea. Very good pattern of putting water and like beneath water upwards tea. And yeah, so this is the breakfast that you get, and I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now, and maybe थोड़ा time मिला तो बाद में बात कर लेंगे. Bye bye. So after eating some delicious breakfast and getting ourselves overstuffed, we have come to Balat. Now Balat is a place, it's a very colorful place. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो अलग-अलग छोटी-छोटी बिल्डिंग है, कैफेज है. We are just sitting near a cafe and यहाँ का weather बहुत अच्छा है और हमने ऑर्डर किया है तिरामिसू, जिसका ऑलरेडी हमने XN0 खेल लिया है उस पर. यहाँ का तिरामिसू काफ़ी अच्छा है. It has this wet consistency which I'm really liking in the coffee. I meant the tiramisu. यहाँ पे झगड़े चल रहे हैं खाने के. We have some overstuffed cappuccino also over here. Not at all sweet, very bitter, but the coffee is good. I feel the flavor of coffee over here, मतलब आप जो भी खाओगे ना, हर चीज़ में कॉफ़ी का फ्लेवर थोड़ा कम है और क्रीम का फ्लेवर ज़्यादा है. When we were in Balat, there was also this youth festival going on. पहले मुझे लगा कि कुछ shooting चल रही है. Later, when I asked around, it was their youth festival, and look at these car guys. They look so amazing. So here are some of my recommendations tips for your next Istanbul trip. Number 1, visit Istiklal Street both during the day and night. It's beautiful. You will find everything right from the eateries, street to brand shopping, medical needs, famous food joints, malls, etc. Number 2, on Istiklal Street, there are these eateries which are like canteens or works on self-service basis. You will get some good food at a very reasonable price. It was so good that I had food over here a couple of times. If you're a coffee lover and you're having a difficult time finding a good coffee place, head straight to Espresso Lab. You won't just find the best coffee but also the best desserts. There are many outlets of this cafe. Don't forget to visit Hafiz Mustafa for the best Turkish desserts of your life, both for the enjoyment and gifting purpose. Number 3, Taksim Square and Istiklal Street are connected, so no need to make a separate tour for that. For commute, you can use metro, but if you are in a larger group, you can opt for taxis as well. Use only or book through only an app like Uber, because local taxi charges almost the double. Uber app works almost everywhere. Number 4, you need to have at least one Turkish breakfast, not because it's unlimited, but it's a tradition. Number 5, instead of booking Bosphorus cruise, go for Bosphorus yacht. It's more flexible. You can enjoy different section of the yacht, both indoor and outdoor. Bonus point, it's less crowded. Number 6, you can visit Galata Tower, eat viral San Sebastian cheesecake at Viana Kavisi Galata, and just walk through these by lanes and try goat milk ice cream, kumpri, donuts, simit, etc. It's a very good lane even to click pictures. We almost spent an hour coming down. Simit is a must-try local snack. It's so good that I'm missing the taste right now. Number 7, there are many mosques in Istanbul, but the one that you need to visit is Hagia Sophia. Tickets are very expensive. It costed almost 7,000 per person. But it gives access to museum as well and multiple entries too. Number 8, you can visit Balat, a small colorful town where there are a lot of small cafes and restaurants. You can just simply chill there and enjoy the vibe. Number 9, crossing the road from Balat area towards the sea leads you to a wonderful small park. It's called Ser Nadim Parki, where people are fishing, spending time with their family. You can roam around and enjoy the fresh air. Number 10, one thing that you need to buy from Istanbul are their famous teas. It's little expensive, like 100 gram is for 2.5, but you will enjoy it. You can find these tea shops on Istiklal Street if you don't have time, or you can buy them from the spice market. Prices vary from shop to shop, so be careful while buying. Some tea can be available at half the price in some other shop. I am specially enjoying their relaxing tea which I got home. So guys, that's all for today. I hope this vlog was helpful for planning your next Istanbul trip. I'm gonna end my vlog over here. See you in my next vlog. Till then, live life Festo style. Bye bye.